Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Sims 4 game failed to load error. This is a common problem that can prevent the game from launching, but don't worry, we'll go step by step to get it working again. First, let's free up some resources on your computer. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen and select Task Manager. Once the Task Manager opens, look for any unnecessary programs that are running in the background, especially web browsers like Google Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Click on them and select End Task to close them. This helps ensure your PC has enough memory and processing power to run the game smoothly. Next, we want to make sure your Windows system is up to date. Go back to your desktop, right-click on anywhere on the screen and select Display Settings just to refresh your screen. Then, in the search bar, type Windows Update Settings and click on it. Here, check if there are any pending updates for your system. If updates are available, click Update and let Windows install them. After the updates finish, restart your PC to apply all the changes. Keeping Windows up to date often fixes compatibility issues that can cause Sims errors. Once your PC restarts, try launching The Sims 4 again. Most of the time, this process resolves the error code and gets you back into the game without issues. If you're still seeing the error after these steps, another thing you can try is repairing the game files. If you're using Origin, open the Origin client, go to My Game Library, right-click on The Sims 4 and select Repair. This will scan your game files and fix any corrupted files that might be causing the problem. And that's it. By closing unnecessary programs, updating Windows, updating your graphics drivers, and repairing the game if needed, your Sims 4 error code should be resolved. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If it helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss future guides. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.